Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share Eat Special Beef Gola Kebab recipe. So soft and juicy, delicious kebab recipe, everyone will love it. Fresh coriander leaf 1/2 cup. Green chili 10/12 pieces. Fried onion 1 cup. Grind it. Minced beef 1 kilogram. My chopper is small, I am doing small portion at a time. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Minced beef. Ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Chili powder 1.5 tablespoons. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Meat tenderizer 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Grind it. Done. Transfer to the bowl. White bread 1 slice. Grind well. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Minced beef. All done. Transfer to the bowl. Mix together. Done. Refrigerator overnight. Next day, clarified butter 2 tablespoons. Mix. Smoke 2 minutes. Done. Mix again. Time to make Gola Kebab. Take a small portion of the meat mixture. Follow the steps. Make a hole with bamboo sticks. Done. Can be frozen up to month. Oil 2 tablespoons. Place the kebab one by one. Fry 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Flip. Done. Garnish with coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.